how this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. This time I have a cellular car mount for you guys, or car holder where you can put your phone and you can drive safely. I'm traveling at the moment, so I have some difficulty to mount my phone, so I bought this one and sharing with you guys this product. This is made in China. You see how beautiful this is behind, and here we go. You can see how it is, how it would be mounting on the glass of your car. Lovely. So without further ado, I'm gonna take this off from here. So we're gonna unpack this one. I take out all the tape you can see here. I don't have my tripod with me, so I have to take this off by one hand and I will show you. Let's see. So here we go, guys. I will take this off from here at the top. See, lovely. Here you see how it is, a paper. Take this off. Lovely product. So you can see how it is. Beautiful. This will go here, your phone will be, and you can attach, you can tie this one. You can see how can loose and tight the position, so you can release your phone whenever you want, and you can adjust here. If you have any phone, for example, let me show you. This one is iPhone 17 Pro Max. In this case, if you want to assemble, you see guys how it goes perfectly. iPhone 17 Pro Max, Samsung S25, 26 Ultra. You can assemble there, you can mount there. The bottom, it will hold two sides, something as a clip. This side, the main product. Wow, I feel a quality product at my hand, guys. Believe me, I feel good quality product. Yeah, so this part will go to, you mount on your glass, and the phone will be here. So this will go as this on this case, put inside. Wow, you can bend this one here with this. You see here as the lock button, you can lock and unlock. This is unlocked, so when it's unlocked, I think you can bend this one different way. You see the screw here, so the screw you can tight, loose and tight where you want. Lovely. So this will be as this, and you move the direction as you want. So I'll go to my car and I'll show you how it looks and how it functions, guys. You can see, guys, how it is here. I put this lock according to the place. You lock this one tight and it will stay on its place. You can see how lovely this. For here you have one button, one to short, this tight. Put your phone here. You see here how the phone looks, so lovely for driving. You can have all visibility in your car. Lovely. You see here the lock, this is perfect. It stays as this. Put the map and it will be visible. Let's see. Wow, lovely. So it's better than here, because if you put here this side, you put here this side, you'll have problem. You have to look down and again, but there is perfect. Lovely. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.